Hello everybody, this is Anirban Chaudhary, Assistant Professor of Kingston School of Management Science. Today's our topic is Butter Part 2. This is topic enlisted from food production subject. So let's start. And this is the index, this is the overview of your whole PPT. Watch out the topic or which slide are there. You can know easily. And this is the whole overview of your PPT, this PPT. Learning objective. This PPT after completion, you know what is butter manufacturing process, storage process of butter. Today's topic is butter manufacturing and storage process of butter. Introduction. Butter is fatty substance obtained from the churning cream, contain 80% fat and 20% water. And why? Why%? It is a milk solid left from the separation process. So butter can harden in low temperature and melted in when the heated temperature is rise. Smoking temperature butter is 127 Celsius. Color must be cream white to golden yellow color. Butter, most of the butter made from cow milk, but you can also made from buffalo, yak, goats and sheep also available. Okay, butter is melting point is liquid consistency is 30 to 35 Celsius in Fahrenheit, 90 to 95 Fahrenheit. Butter manufacturing, because butter is the product that you obtain from the churning milk or cream. The making process involves serious activity, arms to separation of milk fat from to liquid phases to convert into your solid phase. What is water in oil emulsification with milk protein acting as a emulsifier. Making a butter in two ways. In oldest day, this is called traditional way. First, the cream is separated from your fresh whole milk. The cream is then churning by the shaking or beating in the vertical unit of thicken it. Remaining liquid or known as buttermilk is removed. The concentrated butter is washed and formed into solid shapes. It is the traditional way of making a butter. But nowadays the butter demand and more growth, so they have making a butter in an industrial scale. So they have some series of steps will be there. First one is folding. Cream is pasteurized for 22 to 4 seconds at 95 degrees Celsius, and then the temperature is lowered to 4 to 5 degrees Celsius, and that keep for several hours to ensure uniform handling of fat practices. Next one is reaping. Reaping, when the end product is going to the lactic butter, only then this step is carried out, in which bacterial culture is added in this casing, and the holding temperature will be 50 to 80 degrees Celsius for 3 to 4 hours before being cooled to 4 to 5 degrees Celsius. This gives butter a good flavor, and the stage is often well milk sweet cream butter. Next is your churning stage. It is the carried out is the biggest stainless steel container holding about 100 gallons of cream, and then internal churning phase through the cream. This break the layer of fat solid which are released and combine to form a larger group of butter fat. After about 13 minutes of churning, the butter gets separated from buttermilk and floated into the surface. And your fourth stage is washing and salting. The because salting are depend on the some butter they require. If the butter is salty butter, then is this salting stage will be carried out. If they not, they not be added the salt. They only do the washing stage only. The butter grains are now washed with iced cold water to remove any buttermilk left from the surface of the each grains. It order to maximize the keeping quality. Last is salting are carried out in two ways. First one is adding fine granules or dairy salt. They can go for that, adding the salt direct with your butter. If they not, they can dipping the butter granules into the blend solution for 10 to 15 minutes and allow the butter get absorb it. Next is your storage of butter. Butter is most important to storage in a correct way because butter can easily melted or easily absorb the other food order. Then you have carried out some step or secure some process to prevent that thing. To keep the button is separated in the original wrap, the foil laminated paper help to prevent the spoilage from the exposure of the light and air, also protect from butter from picking up flavor of other food. If you wrap it well, once upon both salted and unsalted butter, you will keep the fridge for 3 weeks. However, if you plan to keep longer than few weeks, butter will keep in a fresh taste. Butter is you wrap it again in extra foil or plastic. Next, another way to keep your butter is to frozen it. The butter frozen well but sold if future protect by over wrapping it in additional foil or heavy duty plastic wrap or freezer bag. Properly wrapped salted butter will be kept in a freezer for up to 1 year. After this, you may begin to lose their fresh butter flavor and pick water from other food from the freezer. Unsalted butter will keep in the freezer for up to 3 months. So this is the picture of overview of the industrial way of making butter and this traditional way and how to store on butter. You can see now is the activity or the quiz for this PPT. You have to write what are the major steps in manufacturing or processing of butter. And you have know about more about this topic, you can go for these two books. This is called Theory of Cooking, Krishna Arora, and Food Production Operation by Parveen S. Bali. So you have know about this topic, and we will be discuss about more is details of this topic in our G class. So you have joined me the G classes to know about this topic more. Reference for this PPT are prepared from these two books. This is called Theory of Cookery by Krishna Arora and Food Production Operation by P.S. Bali. Thank you for watching and listening of this PPT. Thank you.